Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unbagging. It's in a bag or a mailing envelope, whatever you want to call it, but it is an unboxing-ish video. It is nail items because I did go get my nails done again. I've not had them done in a while, but my nails they will grow, but they're very thin. They bend very easily. They tear very easily, and the only way to keep my nails pretty and to do my job is to have acrylic on them. And I do keep them, I still keep them pretty short for work. They're not long at all. I mean, you know, they're still pretty short. So I saw this on Wish and it was right around $10. So I thought I'll give it a go because I love painting my own nails. I love doing nail art. And we're gonna see everything that's in here. So I'm just taking everything out. We're gonna look at it together. Okay, there's everything in the bag. So it looks like I have, this is environmental remover pad, so it's probably there to clean your nail beds, kind of like an alcohol pad, and it's probably what it is. I was going to see if it actually said alcohol on it, but that's what it probably is an alcohol pad. And they sent several of those, so it says tear here. Environmental remover pad. So I don't know for sure what that is. There's some more. I've got a few little directions here because it's a gel polish. So it tells you to trim, file the nails, exfoliate, polish the nail surface, clean your nails, apply the primer, dry with the lamp, all that good stuff. So it gives you the directions. Also, you got the file. You got some cuticle pushers, the metal one and the orange stick ones. And you got a small UV lamp to do your, you know, with the cord. And I believe this one just plugs in. So we'll see how that goes. And in here are probably the polishes. So let's cut that open. Let's see what we got. I think it was 3 or 4 colors, a base coat and a top coat maybe. Let's see what we have. So this is a gel polish, and I believe they were all shades of like nudes to pinks. So the bottles are not like huge, but like I said, you did get like 4 colors. Let's see. Gel polish, gel polish. Okay, top coat. And yes, base coat. So you got a top coat, a base coat, and 4 colors. And I'm going to open these just to see if you can see the colors. So that is a nudie pink. And kind of a taupey gray taupe color. I wish it told you like the colors on the bottles, but it doesn't. And this is a kind of a cream brown color. I got really neutral colors. And this one should be glitter. Yeah, this one is glitter. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see the glitter, but that one is a glitter polish. So I got all that for right about $10, and you can use the little light to, you know, it cures the polish. So I can't wait to try this. This is like the best glitter polish I have ever seen in my life. That is 2 coats, and it was the brand was Cara Sky. I've seen that on some YouTube videos, but I've never used it. And when I picked it up, I thought, man, that's a pretty polish. I'm going to use that for my accent color. That is 2 coats of polish. That is it. I was like, oh my gosh, that is so pretty. But yeah, so if you're on Wish and you do your own nails, they have a lot of kits, a lot of different polishes, all kinds of stuff. I mean, they basically have a nail tech like beginner kit if you want to learn how to do nails. I think it was around $30 or $40. It came with everything. But this is a nice little kit, and I'm going to give it a go one day when I want to paint my own nails. And I will report back. This is the brand that it came, or the brand of the polish. It looks like the company. So we'll see how that one goes. And I'll report back and let you know how it is, because that way you can check it out if you like doing your own nails. All right, guys, that is it. And my giveaway is closed. I mailed that package off today. Today is Monday, the 22nd. That package got mailed off today. So, Debbie, if you're watching this, it should be there Wednesday, because it was a 3-day priority mail. And again, my next giveaway will be sometime next month. So keep an eye on that. Be sure you hit the subscribe button down below and the little bell so you'll know when that giveaway goes up. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And I'll see you guys on the next one.